And Sanatana Goswami, because it's his Tirobhat day for the Gaudiya Vaishnavas. He was a great teacher of Veda. And he gave us such an important book, Brihad Bhagavatamritam. He took whole Srimad Bhagavatam, 18,000 shloka, and he condensed it. 18,000 shloka, and he condensed it into 3,000 shloka. 3,000, 3,000. Brihad Bhagavatamritam. Hindi mein. Hindi. You can get. And he gave all the Amrit, the essence. So we saw one verse the other day. We were speaking this morning. I like too much. He said, this is Bhakti Marg. This is Bhakti Marg. We are Bhaktas, Krishna Bhaktas. Radha Krishna. We are Radha Krishna Yugal Upasakas. Jai Radha Madhava Kunja Vihari. Gopijana Vallabha Girivardhari. We worship Radharani and Kunja Vihari and Kunjeshri Radharani. So we worship Radha and Krishna. So we are following the Bhakti Marg, Gyan Marg, Bhakti Marg, Karma Marg, Yoga Marg, Bhakti Marg. So Sanatana Goswami, because this is his Tirobhat, so he left us this very important book. Very, very important book. It's endless. So there he says, Bhakti Pradhan. Bhakti Pradhan. What is the main part of Bhakti? Chief thing of Bhakti. Now you can see how much you've remembered. I forgot it all. He said, this is the foundation. This is Bhakti.